Your people want to grow, and your business depends on it. But without the right learning tools, even your top performers can lose momentum, and your business can fall behind. That's where ADP Workforce Now Learning comes in. It helps you build a culture of continuous development so employees keep growing while your business keeps advancing. Learning should meet people where they are, in their careers, on their schedule, using any device. ADP Workforce Now Learning offers mobile-first content that supports personal goals and professional growth, anytime and anywhere. Too much content can overwhelm. ADP uses AI to narrow it down, delivering personalized learning recommendations based on role, skills, and context. Employees stay focused on what matters most. ADP Workforce Now Learning lets you build structured learning journeys that guide employees straight toward the right skills, aligned to their individual goals and your business needs. Sharpen your learning programs with insights that go beyond completions. Track learner progress, analyze content performance, and collect real feedback so you can optimize what drives meaningful results. And because it's part of ADP Workforce Now Talent Solutions, everything connects. Learning fits naturally into your employee's journey, enhancing their experience at every key moment while building the skills your business needs next.